All right, Jake. I don't know what happened. I think the stream froze. So let me know which box you want. 1, 2, or 3. We'll rip it, Jake. Jacob. Assuming that, yeah, that's you. If you're still here. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Can't give stuff away without you. So if it's not for y'all, please pull a Joe Burrow for this kid. If anybody wants a personal, I can get rid of them as personals, or we can do like a quick hit draft. Let's raise it up a little bit. Don't forget Gypsy Queen. Gypsy Queen is available. I think we're going to do a random teams. Full case break. Good luck, buddy. Let's go. Tua or Joe Burrow? Minshew. Jerry Rice. Kelsey. Baker. Mims. Chanot. Must be a French. Jonathan Taylor. Stud. Tyree Cleveland. The guy can't even spell or write, but it's a beautiful card. Wipe it. Hope you like the Gators. He spells his name like I did when I was 1. But he's going to play. He's going to be in the NFL. I'm not, so. First auto. The Jonathan Taylor. 27 of 99. 4 off his jersey number. This is the giveaway. Lab 20 won the giveaway. Jacob Sayers. And the Baker, 64 of 99. Relax, Glorious. Next pack. Good vibes. Odie Gophers. Zeke. Marquise Brown. I only have that one, and it's random teams. There are already spots taken. 31 of 149. Jared Pinkney. Sean. Tight end. Joey B. There's a little Burrow. I can't do that, basketball cards for life. Little Joey B action. Is that your good vibes? I'm pulling the heat tonight. Now everybody's saying, no, that's my card. Tonight had a good night. This is just a base Burrow, but I'll sleeve them. I'll top load them for you. We're looking for them. I basically look, guys, to see what I comp at. If they comp at like $5, I'll put a top loader on them. If they're like $1 card, or if someone special like asks me, hey, can you do that because I PC him, will you? I will. How many spots in select? Like 26 or 27. It ain't gonna go tonight. Tom Brady. I saw someone, guy I know, he pulled a Tom Brady out of 5. Wow. Mr. Terry Brand. This kid's a stud. McKinney, Albert, what I can't say his last name, James Prochet. How many in select? I think there's like 27. So it ain't going to go tonight, like I said, but we're trying to wipe it with a burrow right now. Jacob, don't forget to mention us. 24 of 149. Don't forget to mention us, please, if you don't mind, for doing the for winning the box. 65 of 249. Mr. Bradshaw. That's a cool card. So don't forget to mention us either in the wife story and hashtag wipe it. I like that Bradshaw card. It's something different. So hopefully we could pull something big these next couple packs for you. I mean, either way, free box, a free box. Mr. Hawkinson. Watson. Oh, this got to be a good box. Wow! Gardner Minshew. And we got some heat on this pack, boys. Claypool. Curtis Weaver. Ahmed. That's your auto in this pack. Last pack coming up. That's a huge Minshew. I'm a big fan of Gardner Minshew, guys. I really am. I'm a believer in him. Not because of the hype and because he walks around like, you know, he's a badass. His shit don't stink. I actually think the kid's pretty good. I think he's just in a shitty situation. 45 of 299. 45 of 299. We're getting low numbers tonight. Yeah, I believe so. Hyper Crusade. I think that's, if they're numbered, it is. Excuse me. A little D end. Recap it at the end. How about that on the back? How about only one of the top wide receivers come out of the draft? Daniel Jones, Mahomes, Kyler, J.K. Dobbins, Henry on the back. Come on. Jordan Love. Wipe your goddamn ass. 104 of 199. We hit one of the top quarterbacks. And we hit that Kyler. And we hit the Minshew. The Dobbins, too. 144 of 199. That was the best pack. And we had a really nice pack over here, or nice box. All this product is stacked. It's stacked and it's affordable. And before the draft, it went up in price for a few days. But look at the Kyler. It's a hyper. Recap, real quick. It's getting late. There's about 3 or 4 of us in here now. The Baker, Jonathan Taylor, Tyree, can't spell his name, Joe Burrow, James Prochet, Terry Bradshaw, the Kyler Murray, J.K. Dobbins, Jordan Love, Look at Gardner Minshew. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, everybody, for joining and popping this off for us tonight. I'm glad we got to do a little giveaway. I wanted a break for a long time tonight. We did. That was a great birthday. Thanks, guys. Don't forget, I got a lot of stuff going, so don't forget to look at everything. Appreciate you guys, man. So keep checking out our post. Every day I pretty much go on here and I post something. Even if it's just cards we got going, just getting some traction, getting people to realize what we got going on here, man. I got all this dead stock sitting here. So please, Jacob, DM me. And don't forget, man, shoot a little hashtag, wipe it, shout us out. Look for Gypsy Queen Baseball. That stuff's hot, too. So appreciate you guys. I'm going to clean up here. Have a good night. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.